Welcome to the Integrated E-Payments Demo, brought to you by Tally Solutions and DBS Bank. In today's fast-paced world, efficient banking and accounting processes are key enablers for any good business. However, companies face the challenge of managing separate systems, which can lead to delays, duplicated effort, data errors, and inaccuracies. To address these challenges, leading accounting software provider, Tally Solutions, and the world's best digital bank, DBS, have partnered to introduce a unique connected banking solution within the Tally ERP that will revolutionize the way businesses work. The first offering from this association is the Integrated E-Payments feature, which will enable you to initiate, track, and settle payments securely through Tally ERP 9. In the following modules, we will understand the e-payment process and how to send e-payments from the Tally platform to DBS's internet banking platform, ideal for processing. Let us begin by introducing the new e-payment report that provides complete information on all e-payment transactions recorded. All bank transactions are categorized as transactions with incomplete information, transactions with information mismatch, ready for sending to bank, or transactions sent to bank unreconciled. The report gives us complete visibility of every bank transaction recorded, with the added advantage of correcting transactions with incomplete or mismatched information right from the report itself. Additionally, you can send the transactions directly to bank to process the required payment. To make an e-payment from Tally, we need to create a bank ledger, update bank details in party ledger, record a transaction for bank payment, view the transaction in e-payment report, and send the same to DBS Bank. In the next module, we will see how to carry out the first few steps of generating an e-payment report. Now we will learn how to set up an e-payment transaction within Tally by creating a bank ledger and party ledger. To create a bank ledger, go to Ledger Creation screen. Enter the required information. Ensure that the option Enable e-payments is set to Yes. Let us now create a party ledger and enter bank details. Enter the required information. Set the option Provide bank details to Yes. Selecting transaction type as e-funds transfer will auto-identify the transfer as same bank or interbank, and we can proceed to the next module. Now let us record a payment voucher. This payment transaction appears in the e-payment report along with other e-payment transactions. To view the e-payment report, go to Banking and then E-Payments. All completed transactions that are ready for sending to bank appear here. Those payments that have some mandatory information missing, such as account number, IFSC details, will reflect here. You can correct the same by selecting the transaction and entering required information. Similarly, those payment transactions that have mismatched information appear here. You can either correct the mismatch in vouchers and master or just accept the details as is. You can also choose to copy details from Master Info. All transactions are now ready to be sent to bank. You can send all the transactions at once or select the transactions individually and click Send to Bank. After the transactions are successfully sent to bank, they appear under the row Transactions Sent to Bank. These transactions are unreconciled transactions. Click on the transactions to view its details. Once the details are sent to the bank, you can track the status in Tally. Status updates from e-payment report is shown under the status column. When the status changes to authorization pending, click Authorize to continue the payment as shown in the next module. Now we will learn how to approve the transaction on DBS Ideal. Once you have clicked Authorize in Tally ERP9, you will be directed to your DBS Ideal login page so that you can complete your e-payment without any hassle. Alternatively, you can also use DBS Ideal mobile app to approve transactions on the go. To authorize your e-payments, enter the required details on DBS Ideal login page. Enter the security access code generated by using your DBS Ideal mobile app. This will take you to the dashboard where you are able to view the balance funds. Click on Cash under Approve section. Select the transaction to be approved and approve. Once approved successfully on DBS Ideal portal, you can view this status as authorized in the e-payment window back in Tally. The status changes to processed after successful processing at the bank. Tally will automatically update the bank transaction reference into e-payment report and the respective payment voucher. The beneficiary also receives transaction advice through an email along with the payment details. This concludes the demo on the new integrated e-payments feature, sending payments from Tally, approving them on DBS Ideal, and receiving status updates back in Tally. This allows you to save significant time, avoid duplicated efforts, and reduce errors. You can also look forward to more convenience-centric features to be launched from the alliance of Tally Solutions and DBS Bank. Thank you for watching.